So how does Kikoff help you build credit? So there are three things that they do. First is payment history. This is the single most important factor in your credit score. Payment history looks at whether you've paid past credit bills on time. The credit account that Kikoff offers actually encourages a long payment history, giving you maximized credit building power. And then what they do about it is that they report each of your monthly payments to the major credit bureaus, and each report builds your payment history and your credit. Next thing is they do credit utilization. So this is the ratio of how much credit you've used to how much you can use or your credit limit. So the lower this ratio, the better for your credit. So they actually designed their credit account for extremely low utilization rates, and their store items start at only $10, which means buying one on credit could run you a rate of only 2%. Now, the last thing that they do is account age. Because the older your accounts, the better. The credit account that they offer doesn't expire, so keeping it open will continue to increase your average account age. And when you initially open a credit account in Kikoff, you may notice your account age drops. But remember, this drop is only short term, and starting a new account can bring your average age down. But keeping it open will push that age up, and opening a credit account gives you a long-term positive with age. So that's how Kikoff helps you build your credit. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is Josh. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one.